Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and we'll even try out some of the features of my new portable jump starter. A lot of cool features. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this to me so I can go ahead and check this out. So we'll go ahead and take it out of the box. Alright, so as you can see, nice hard case that it comes in. And then let's see the actual goods in here. So this is the actual device here. Wow. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Seems very, very sturdy. Let's just turn it on to check it out. Bam. There it is. All right, so let's go through some of the features that you get right off of here. So here's where you're gonna plug in your connectors for the battery. It's an actual power bank, so you can charge your phone, tablet, anything like that, and then this charges through Type-C. Here is your light, and then here's where you can inflate tires, basketballs or any balls like that. But let's look at the accessories now. So these are the connectors that I was talking about. And we should just be able to hook them up on here. As you can see, turns right on. And then you just literally hook up the correct ones to each one, and then you should be good to go. My battery does not need it at the moment. You get the manual for it. And then this is for the tires or as your pump. So we'll go ahead and screw this on. And then let's turn this on, see how it works. So as you can see, there's gonna be different functions on here. There's a little car there, motorcycle, bicycle, a ball. So different things. So right now I'm gonna put it under car, and then we'll go ahead and hook this up. I'm gonna turn on the light just so you can kind of see it. Obviously it's daytime over here, so you're not gonna get the full experience of it. But again, it is very nice to have it, especially during an emergency at night. If you're looking for a very good jump starter, just based on everything that I see here, the sturdiness, all the accessories, everything that it does, I highly recommend it. Definitely a 10 out of 10.